Cut Nanotech film to the desired length. Crimp the connectors using Nanotech parallel action crimping tool. Connect the wires. Apply spray contact adhesive both on Nanotech film and the wall. Ensure complete coverage. Wait for 10 minutes maximum for adhesive to set, and adhere the film to the wall. Use a flexible scraper to remove any air bubbles. To cut switch and socket holes, use a paper knife. The hole must be 5 mm larger than the fitting on all sides to avoid short circuits. You can cover Nanotech film using flexible plaster, paint, fire retardant wallpaper, tiles or laminate. Your new heating system is ready.